Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the best extra-long shower arms available on the market, the SparkPod 11 inches solid brass shower arm extension. If you're tired of dealing with limited shower coverage and awkward positioning, this product is exactly what you need. The SparkPod shower arm extension offers a game-changing experience, and today, we're going to tell you exactly why it's become a favorite for many. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. This shower arm extension is crafted from solid brass, which means it's not only durable but also designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Whether you're using a heavy shower head or just need extra reach, this arm can hold up to 5 pounds without compromising its integrity. The luxury polished chrome finish gives it a sleek, modern look that will complement any bathroom decor. One of the standout features of the SparkPod shower arm is its adjustable functionality. It's equipped with a rotating elbow, allowing you to easily adjust the shower head's angle to get the best coverage possible. Whether you need to extend the shower head farther from the wall or tilt it to a specific angle, this extension arm has you covered. No more awkward showering or struggling to position the shower head just right. Installation is a breeze. You won't need a plumber or any special tools to set it up. The arm uses a universal 1/2 inch connection, making it compatible with most standard shower heads. All you need to do is twist it on and you're good to go. Plus, plumber's tape is included in the box to ensure a secure, leak-free connection. What's great about this shower arm extension is its flexibility. Not only does it provide extra length, but it also allows for a full range of motion, giving you the ability to position the shower head exactly where you need it. Whether you're tall or short, this arm lets you adjust the shower head to your height for the perfect shower experience every time. And let's not forget the build quality. SparkPod has designed this shower arm extension with sturdy, durable swivel joints that won't break or leak, giving you peace of mind that your shower setup will last for years. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to enhance their shower experience with extra comfort and convenience. In conclusion, the SparkPod 11 inches solid brass shower arm extension is hands down one of the best extra-long shower arms on the market. It's durable, adjustable, easy to install, and built to last. If you're looking for an upgrade to your shower setup, this is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews like this one.